Hello, welcome to the TV room. This is Bradley here. I'm going through a box. And what do I find in this box? Oh, it's magic. I gotta undo it here. You know, lots of people, including me, we've got boxes of basically e-waste with power supplies for things that we don't even know what they came from. But of course, we can't get rid of them because we might need them. We might. And it's here. Power supply. Part number 251-539-01/2. Input 117 volts, 60 hertz, 16 watts. Output 9 volts. Yeah. Cleared by CSA and Underwriters Laboratory. And this. Oh, it's made in the 9th month of 1984. This is a power supply. I don't know if you can read that. I can barely. There's the Commodore thing. This is for Commodore 16. That's a Commodore 16 power supply. Now, does it work? I don't know. But there it is. There it is. So, even though I did not get a Commodore 16 with this fine collection of stuff, I sure have things with it. And at some point, I will have to see about testing this. I will. So let's see if we can get this kind of wrapped up the way it was. Using. And so there it is, power supply for Commodore 16. Isn't it lovely? Isn't it just? So sometime I'll have to get that tested. And I'll have to see if I have a Commodore 16 that works. Anyway. Thanks so much for being here. Have a lovely, 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 lovely day. We'll continue on this box the next time we meet. Bye for now.